Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Manly Arts and Crafts with Bruce. Well, Manly Arts and Crafts. We're going to be doing a lot of things here that are fun for me, being retired and enjoying my free time, tying flies, reloading ammunition, making knives, and putting together a flintlock rifle. So, we're going to kick things off with this Kibler Southern Mountain rifle I just got right here in the box. You're going to be here to watch me unbox it and see what it looks like inside. I chose Kibler because they're a really high-end flintlock kit, and the nice thing about it is that it's more putting it together than it is building it. So it's a great starter. I'm still excited about opening it and sharing it with you. Now here's the barrel, all in white. We're going to need to do some draw filing it because there's machine marks everywhere on it. But it's nice and light, and I do mean light, and it's a swamp barrel in that it tapers from the front, or tapers from the front, and then swells back up again to the muzzle. I'm going to have fun playing with this. It's an SMR barrel, 36 caliber. I can't wait. Put that back in there. And there's the ramrod, but that's just a wooden dowel essentially. But here is the rifle stock. And this thing is just awesome. I mean, if you look real close, you can see the end grain, or the curl, the tiger striping, which will really come out when it's finished using the tannic acid and the aquafortis. But this thing is beautiful, and it's so light, and the delicate is a way to describe the woodworking on this thing. No fore-end, just because there's just not enough wood to put a fore-end on. And I could put a patch box in, but I don't think I'm going to. Just leave it as it is. But I can't wait to play with this. The inletting's gorgeous. Very precise. Of course, this is all CNC machine too. A lot of sanding and filing and finish work, but a lot of it should be fairly minor. Taking off just a hair here and there. And again, I don't know on the other camera, but you might be able to see it from the overhead, the curl in here in the wood. And I can't wait to see that when it's finished. Now, for some other fun stuff. Little pin stock for pinning the various components. There's the trigger guard. And you can see there's a little some casting marks here, and some mold marks, pieces that are going to have to be cleaned up and taken out. And there's a lump right here that's an anomaly from the molding. So this will take some dressing down with a file and maybe some stones and sandpaper. But I really like it. I mean, this small, tiny makes me think delicate too. I'm excited about that. And there's some, you know, chop-offs from the molds on the butt plate too. And this is going to take a little minor fitting. Shouldn't be much, but that's nice. Now there's a package here. Whoa, don't break things, Bruce. It's brand new. There's a trigger assembly, some ramrod goodies, the flash hole for the barrel, various screws, front sight, rear sight, small parts. I'm looking for the front sight, I don't see it. I know it should be in there. Oh well, we'll open that later. Here's the piece of resistance. This is awesome. This is Kibler's lock. And he CNCs all the parts on this, which is a modern industrial method for machining. And it is beautiful. I really like the fact that he has a flint in there already, but one of the things about this is that the consistency of the parts. If, for example, something on this broke, it wouldn't be hard to just say, hey, my lock broke this piece, send me another one. And he could send me one and swap it out, and it would be perfect. With just minor fitting that maybe need to be done. But yeah, this is awesome. I love the lock. So now comes the really fun stuff. We need to start fitting the barrel to the stock. That's the first function, and we'll go from there. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. I felt like a kid on Christmas opening the new toys, and really happy about starting this project. Hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you join me while we build the new rifle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.